Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Avalanche, AVAX, from KuCoin to XMO in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, knowing how to transfer tokens like AVAX is essential for managing your portfolio effectively. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and XMO. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallets section. Here, locate your Avalanche, AVAX, balance. It's usually listed under your main holdings. Next, switch to your XMO account and go to the Deposit section. You'll need to generate a deposit address for AVAX. Remember, XMO supports the Avalanche network, so double-check that you're selecting the correct network to avoid any issues. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Now, back on KuCoin, navigate to the withdrawal page for AVAX. Paste the XMO deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, but always leave a little extra for network fees. These fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so ensure the address is correct and you're sending on the right network, like the Avalanche C chain. Once you're good, click Withdraw and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. In 2025, with more advanced security features, make sure your accounts are updated. Once the transfer is complete, check your XMO wallet to confirm the AVAX has arrived. There you have it, you're all set. Sending AVAX from KuCoin to XMO doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.